Okay guys, so for this project what we're going to need is 2 mason jars, the flower bunches and the color of your choice, these fasteners right here, these like picture holder things, 4 small tiny little nails, 2 screws, handy dandy hammer. I have this cute little thing with the different sizes that I might need during the project, and that way I'm not going crazy looking for 1,000 different ones and I have it all in one pack. And your wood, whatever size that you want to use, depending on the size of the mason jar. It could be longer like this one or shorter. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the wood. This is actually leftover wood from my beam I made for my ceiling. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link down below. So what we're gonna do is we are going to measure the mason jar onto this and see how far you want this. I want it to be 2.5 from the bottom and 2.5 from the top because I had already pre-measured it, so I want to kind of put it there. You can see 2.5, 2.5, and this is the clamp we're going to use. I kind of want to see where the hole is going to go for the clamp. Since I already did. Okay, and I left it loose for the same reason, because I kind of wanted to see where I was going to be putting the hole. So now we are just going to screw this in. Okay, it took me a lot of time, so what I ended up doing is drilling this in with the drill, because this kept moving every time I kept trying to go like this. So I ended up using the drill. So it's already fastened on here. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our mason jar. This was a little bit loose earlier. Perfect. And then we're just gonna tighten it on here. Oops, going the wrong way. Keep going till it's nice and tight. And then if you get to a point where you can't do it with your hands, then definitely go in with these little screw things. As you can see here now, it is fastened on. It's not going anywhere. So let me go ahead and make my second one off camera, and I'll be right back. Something I forgot to mention before you put this onto here, this is really hard. So I drilled a hole into this, the bottom part right here, in order to be able to put that screw in. Don't think I just screwed it in there, no. I made a hole prior to the video because it was gonna take a lot longer, and made a hole. So what I did is that I tightened this onto here to see exactly where I wanted this to be, and then once I tighten it, I used a black Sharpie, and I put a dot where I wanted to center the screw. So that's how I was able to do this. So once this is nice and sturdy and it's on there, it's not going anywhere, we are going to add to the back the holder where it's going to be held up on the wall. Other than that, just put in your flowers and hang it on the wall and you are done. This is a really fast and easy project. Some things do need a little bit of muscle, so I did ask my husband for help, like to drill the hole into this. But other than that, like I said, really easy. There's two different ways to do it. You could use the fasteners, or you could do like a hook style instead of this, and that also looks really pretty. So I'm going to show you this, how it looks on my wall now. Okay everybody, so here is the finished project. As you can see, they look really cute. I ran out of the green tape that you put on the bottom, so I put plastic for now. But other than that, I think it looks awesome. I really like it. This picture was also a DIY. I took the picture from another thing and we put the border around it, and with the flowers and all that, I think it's really cute. I really like it. This is something I have in our dining area. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get my notifications and you won't miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.